I heard about STEMREGEN from my best friend of 30 years, Lynn Graft, who also produced my CNBC show years ago. And he said, you have got to try this. So it took me a little bit to try it, but once I did, it was a complete game changer. Before I started using STEMREGEN, I was experiencing just a lot of, overall sort of aching from sports injuries that I've had over many, many years. My right knee, it just hurt so bad that I essentially have always loved running, but I essentially had to stop running. What made me think that STEMREGEN could help me was the fact that my best friend Lynn, who introduced me to the product, he had been using it. He had experienced the results that other people were experiencing from using STEMREGEN, and he had just been talking to me about it for a period of time. And as I mentioned, I kept saying, I don't know, I'm not sure. And he said, just try it out. If there might have been anything that would have kept me from trying STEMREGEN at the beginning, it really did come down to cost, because I think like many other people were watching costs on everything, right? And I was already taking supplements and I thought, can it really be that good? Again, Lynn just said, just try it, just give it a try and let's see what happens. As I mentioned, it was just so transformative in terms of the positive impact that it had on my overall health. Now not only am I on it, my mother is on it, other family members are on it. We advocate for STEMREGEN very much like Lynn did for me early on, and cost just isn't even an issue anymore because I have my life back. What surprised me the most about STEMREGEN was truly the results that I started experiencing. I really did miss out on running, and I don't run that much anymore. I mean, I am very careful about my joints and my knee, and it just hurt all the time. I mean, I was waking up with pain. I could never run on it. I could only walk limited amounts. It was like one day, it was literally like, oh my gosh, I know how it used to be. I just never feel that pain anymore. Since using STEMREGEN, my life has just changed in terms of just overall better health. I'm able to do more. I'm able to run again if I want to run again. One of the most amazing things is just seeing my mother get on STEMREGEN, and she is completely doubtful about any sort of like supplement or anything that can help her with her back. It's completely transformed her life too. It's just such a big part of our life now. I take STEMREGEN every single day, and it's just part of my overall health routine, and I just can't imagine not doing it. I really, really highly recommend, just try it. It's just an incredible product.